Okay. Your only option is to get very wet here, so you gotta make a decision.
What have you done to me, mate?
I warned you it was a dead end.
Oh. I can jump this.
Really? Oh, yep. That's the ticket. And we've got Owen here somewhere. Where is he? Oh, yeah, here he comes through the bush. Climbing through like a wild man from Borneo.
That has gone deep.
Oh, yeah.
Had all my best threads on today. Especially best to get off. Hey?
How you feeling, Owen?
Oh, excellent.
Enjoying it, mate?
Yeah.
Enjoying it, Matt?
Oh, yeah, mate. Bring it on. Bring it on. Bring it on.
That's the spirit.
Woo!
Okay. Let's continue on. Where are we going?
That way.
Right. Right up there. Okay. Okay. It's leading the way. You go. And sort of want my head, yeah, in the right place.
Oh, it's filming.
Oh, okay. Edit this. Actually, can you hit pause?